Hello guys, I'm gonna show to you the best 4-card deck for me in Clash Royale. So let's try it in a challenge itself. We're at 7 wins. And the good thing about my deck is the OP Lumberjack, guys. And you also have a mini zap with the Ice Wizard. Because lots of people are running Skeleton Barrel, guys. Recruits. So with recruits, you have to stack lots of firecrackers, guys. And Ice Wizards. We're gonna snipe that. Let's snipe it, guys. Wait. Did I cast it? Oh, okay. We snipe it properly, guys. Activate King Tower, guys. Nice. Oh, yes. Frigging Mother Wish. So we cannot use Skeleton Barrel now, guys. I hate the Mother Wish. It's a hard counter, guys. And yes, the Skeleton... Golden Knight. Okay, that's gonna be a tower lock, guys. That's gonna be tower down, guys. See how OP this deck is, guys. So all you have to do is defend for 2 minutes. Defend with the firecrackers. Defend with the lumberjacks. Yeah, Evo lumberjacks very OP, guys. OP for defense. And it also extends the life of the... the area of the lumberjack evolution. Wait, why am I letting it hit? Ay, wait! Shouldn't be doing that, guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys, my bad. Forgot that he has Mother Witch. Shouldn't use any more second bars, guys. Okay, defensive lumberjack evolution. This is OP. It's gonna clean it up, guys. Okay, so all you have to do is stack firecrackers, stack lumberjack evolutions. Yeah, it's gonna ability, right? Okay, so we can use the mini zap ability for AoE, guys. Okay, again. It's late. Sorry, guys, late. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Okay, we're still gonna come back, guys. We're still gonna win even with that misplay. Because this deck is OP. 30 seconds left, guys, to defend. Okay, let's go. Now, just spam lumberjacks, guys. Lumberjack evolution for the win, guys. Very OP defensively, offensively. See, and it's gonna be locking onto the tower. Gonna be a 2-crown, guys. Easy, guys. See how OP this is, guys. If you want to win this challenge, copy my deck. Thank you for watching. Good luck on the challenge. Bye-bye.